Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Most Shopify stores don't fail because of traffic. They fail because low profit margins, high ad costs, weak product pages, bad backend decisions. In this tutorial, I will show you how real Shopify stores increase profits in 2026, even without increasing traffic. These are not tricks, these are systems. Secret number one, stop chasing product. Build margin first. Most beginners ask, what product is trending? Wrong question. The real question should be, can this product scale profitably? Before selling anything, check product cost, shipping cost, transaction fees, ad cost estimate. If you can't make at least 30 to 40% margin, skip it. Low margins kill Shopify stores. Secret number two, raise AOV before running more ads. Traffic is expensive in 2026. Smart stores increase average order value or AOV instead. How? Simple AOV boosters. Quantity discount, buy two, save more. Bundles, main product plus accessory. Post-purchase upsells, free shipping thresholds. Example, instead of selling $29 product, sell two for $49, right? $49. Same traffic, more profit. Secret number three, your product page is your real salesperson. Ads don't sell. Your product page sells. High profit pages focus on problem, solution, benefits, not features. Social proof, clear guarantees. Remove long, boring descriptions, supplier-style images, or fake urgency. Replace with clean layout, short sections, clear CTA. A better page can double profit without more traffic. Now, secret number four, pricing psychology beats cheap prices. Cheap pricing attracts bad customers. Profitable stores are priced for perceived value, not for quote-unquote cheap. Use $39 instead of $29. Anchoring, compare price, premium bundles. Higher prices equal better customers, fewer refunds, more ad flexibility. Cheap stores struggle, premium stores scale. Secret number five, kill products fast and scale winners hard. Right? Most people waste money trying to save losing products. Profitable Shopify stores test fast, kill fast, scale only, proven winners. Here's a rule. If product doesn't show signs of profit in testing, move on. Emotion kills profit. Data builds profit. Now, secret number six, ads optimization equals profit control. Ads don't need to be perfect. They need to be controlled. In 2026, creative matters more than targeting. One winning ad can outperform 10 average ones. Focus on scroll stopping hooks, clear problem awareness, native style content or UGC. Okay? Pause losers early, scale winners slowly. Secret number seven, backend is where real money is made. Most beginners ignore this. Big stores don't. Backend profit systems like email flows, abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-ups, cross-sell emails, right? This can add 20 to 40% extra revenue with zero ad spend. Free money most people ignore. Secret number eight, reduce refunds to increase net profit. Profit isn't what you make. Profit is what you keep. Reduce refunds by honest descriptions, real delivery times, clear expectations, better customer support. A lower refund rate equals higher net profit instantly. And automate what drains you, not what sells, which takes us to secret number 9. Automation is powerful when used right. Automate order tracking, email responses, inventory alerts. Do not automate customer experience, brand voice, quality control. automation should protect profit, not damage trust. All right. Now, let's go to the secret number 10 and the last one. Think like a business owner, not a hustler. Hustlers chase sales. Business owners build systems. Profitable Shopify stores focus on repeat customers, brand trust, long-term margins. One-time sales don't build wealth. Systems do. Okay? And Shopify profits in 2026 come from strategy, not luck. Margins, not hype. Systems, not chaos. You don't need thousands of products, viral trends, or huge budgets. You need focus plus execution plus patience. Now, the closing CTA. If you want tutorials on scaling Shopify ads, high margin product research, email flows that print money, Shopify automation systems, subscribe and comment Shopify below to know that you watched the whole video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.